Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reverse your video using the rewind effect on CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to use this video to demonstrate how we can reverse a video. First, you're going to choose the part that you want to reverse, and I'm going to choose, hold on, I'm going to select this part. So I'm going to split the part right here. Okay, and then I'm going to duplicate this part. I'm going to place it right here. And then I'm going to reverse this video on this part. If you want to reverse video, you're going to click on this menu. And okay, now the reverse is complete. And I'm going to speed up the reversed video. You can choose the duration that you want, and you can add the free rewind effect guys. You can get it from the internet for free. Okay, and I'm going to blend the video. So we're going to go to the blend mode right here, and we're going to choose the blend mode. But hold on, I'm still looking for it. Okay, I'm gonna choose brighten, and I'm going to play the video. Okay, and you can also add effect if you want, effect or filter. I'm just going to add the black and white filter to this reversed part. So let's play it again. Okay, just like this, and you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied if you want. Okay guys, and that's how you can reverse video using the rewind effect on CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.